How to change maintenance image on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change the maintenance image on Shopify. So first of all, log into your Shopify account and open your store dashboard. Once you are in, from the left side menu, click on Online Store. This will open the themes page on your screen. Here, next to your current theme, click on the Customize button. It will open the theme editor page where you can edit different sections of your store. Here, I will open the password page because that's the page visitors see when your store is under maintenance. Once the password page is open, click on the section and some options will appear on the right side. Here, find and open the theme settings drop-down. In this section, you will see the default logo option. Just click on select and a new tab will appear on the screen. Simply upload and choose the file you want to use and click on Done. After uploading, the new image will appear on your maintenance page. But if it looks very small, to increase its size, simply click on the uploaded image. Then from the left side, find the size section. I will set the image size in percentage. And there you go. This image size is set automatically. Once everything looks good, click on Save from the top right corner to apply the changes. Now, if you open your store in maintenance mode, you will see the updated maintenance image. And that's it. This is how you can change the maintenance image on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.